love. Together, I'll just take this. That's what I'm talking about. So good. I'm about to make lunch. It tastes so good, guys.
You need to explain to your daddy that you can find love for anywhere. I always tell you, if you find out for your village and you feel not fire for your village, we pray say may God do touch out of your papa. Or if you get another reason, make him tell you. Make it not just be because the man no come from your village or he no dey go your church. Now, my hubby just come from Canada. He won't wound me with, competition. He has to. The man has been away in sabbatical. Good afternoon. My tailor no gree sew my clothes. So every tailor when I know, the gooder the tailor, the crazier they are. I never meet a target. If you know a tailor, my tailor now, I've already started using understanding for her. You see, my job is, my fence is on the end of month. I will see his Saturday and I will start to cry. You see this, I will do it. She go do a move. I go just carry my clothes hungry for inside there wardrobe. When time for wearing it to come, I go just go where they go. Now so I dey take drill with my husband.
Finally done today's chege. Wherever you do, avoid my school. Avoid it if you love your life. How to make my dinner, and I'm making ogbono soup. I made use of this onga. I made use of chicken flavor maggi. I think I got about 4 of this. Assorted I'm making use of ogbono, stockfish, pepper, the chicken flavor, zizali, a bit of okra, and I'm just making for just one portion. That is why the quantity is little.
Tonight, I will catch a flight and come see you tonight.
I'm about to trim off my excess brow area. I'm just going to go for a neutral glam. This is what my makeup looks after. Bracelet from Monkey Style, and it costs 4,000 naira. In case you're thinking of getting one, there are numerous designs in stock, so make sure you don't miss out on any. About to plant the tomatoes and pepper. Hey loves, so this is a bit of progress after 7 days. You can see the pepper has already sprouted. Bit of progress from the second one. These are the transplanted chili pepper seedlings. So I actually transplanted from this place to those places. These are the new ones. They're about 2 weeks old. I grew this on compost soil and it's doing so well. Tomatoes and rodo mixed with chili pepper. I got some few items I want to show you guys that I got gifted. So I'm going to start with body care products, then skincare, makeup, fabrics, and lastly I'm going to show you guys the hair my sister-in-law gave me. So let's get right into it. The first thing is this. One thing I love about this is that it does not strip me of my skin sebum or oil, and it's really good. I love the smell. I love how it lathers on my skin and it's so good. It smells so good. It's so moisturizing, so refreshing, and I would pick this any day, anytime. 10 over 10. Recommend this. And the second one is this one from Nivea. As you can see, I've already started using it. Like, so nice. It lathers well. Just a little bit goes a long way. For me, I feel it has antibacterial qualities, in the sense that if you use it to wash your underarm properly, you will stay fresh for 24 hours long. When you pair it with your moisturizers, that good. So I recommend this, but I'll give this a 9 over 10 because I feel they should improve in the dryness. I just noticed if I finish using this, I have to pair it with a good moisturizing lotion like this. So that's just what I noticed based on my own use. For another person's skin type, it might be different. I also got this Dr. Rachel product. It's the sunscreen. I've made use of it before. Dr. Rachel face serum. In case you're looking to get this, you can get it from Monkey Style for just 3,000 naira. Like, so cheap, right? So send them a DM on Instagram. Okay. So got this tea tree. I really love the fact that it does not strip me of my face oil and is gently exfoliate. It prevents blackhead around your nose area. As you can see, my skin, right. Let's go on to makeup, which is my fave. First one is this Carotel snail gel. Like, it's so good. When I mean so good, I mean so good. I've made use of it before, but I didn't show it on my YouTube channel, so I had to look for it again. You can use this as a moisturizing primer when you need something moisturizing and hydrating. I would 10 over 10 recommend this. Like it says, it's moisturizing, rich, lightweight, and fast absorbing. This will help keep your face feeling plumped when you apply your makeup product. Trust me, this is really good, and it has a long lasting hold. Like, that's why I'm hooked to it. So as you get it, I think the retail price for where I got this was 2,000 bucks. Some people said it 3k, 4k, but I got it for 2,000 naira. Next, I got this Adventure Concealer in shade Karachi. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I also got the Mystic Aqua Grip Water Jelly Primer. It's one of my favorite primer, and I just knew that I had to restock it. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside. Do it this way. You twist it to the right to open it, then twist it back to close. twist to the right, twist it back to open. I'm not going to do a swatch test for this because this cost a fortune. Actually, it doesn't, but it's expensive and it's really good, so I don't want to waste any makeup products right now. The economy is not smiling. Got like 2 nude lipsticks in different shades. These are just regular brands. I don't really know the brands. I only know that I like it. I've used it before, I liked it, and I got it again. It's not a popular brand, so I also got beauty blenders. Trust me, I don't think I can show everything I got on camera. This is one of the star of the shows. These body mists, they're actually luxury scents from Wonky Style. Impressions of Poison and Impressions of Sauve Dior. If you don't have money to buy those expensive perfumes for over 200, 300, 400, 500k, and you still want to smell luxury, normally you're supposed to buy like 4,000, 5k, but from 1k Style you can get it for just 3,000 naira. This is mine over here. Like, I've almost downed mine. So if you're looking to smell really luxurious, make sure you chop those scents from 1k Style. You would not regret it. If you want your presents to already announce you before you say a word, get scents from 1k Style. We curate one of the best gift boxes for everyone and for every ages out there. You definitely don't want to miss it out. Next I'm going to show you guys is this mini blender. It's rechargeable with a power bank. It has like 2 portal spaces, one for power bank and one for regular charging. It blends your smoothie so nicely. It's handy and you can take it wherever you want to take it to. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys these exclusive bracelets from 1k Style. They come in these really cute boxes, like super stunning. They come in different designs actually, and each of these bracelets cost just 3,500 naira. This is such a steal for just 3,500. Like, it's so good. Run off to 1k Style right now, like right now. Pause this video, go send 1k Style a DM to get one of those bracelets for just 3,500 naira. But if you use the code TEZA, you'll be getting it for 3,000 instead of 3,500. Such a steal. I really got these slides for myself when I was coming back from the market. They are so cute. It's replica. It has like a leathery sole, and I just love it. You know, it's replica, but it works. At least 2 years if properly used. I think I got this for maybe 7,000. I think 7k. Yeah. It was 6,500. I just had to price it. And this olive dress my sister-in-law gave me, it's from Miss Baby. This pajama set, it comes with this singlet. I really love the burgundy shade. So guys, this perfume my sister-in-law got for me on a trip, and it cost about 20 pounds. It's really nice because I've actually opened it and perceived it, but let me show you guys what it looks like. Really love the projection. It gives off vanilla, so much strong scent. Like, it's so sweet and it's really long lasting. I don't spray this anyhow. And I also got a luxury wig from my sister-in-law. Luxury wig, let me show you guys what it looks like. I'm so excited. Genuinely happy. This is what it looks like. Like, it comes with brown with highlight shade. This is so stunning, guys. Stop playing with me. Stop playing. I got one of the best sister-in-laws in the whole wide world. And if you're watching this, Auntie Shirley, know that I really love you and I really appreciate you. So this is me giving a proper shout out to the best sister-in-law in the world, the best engineer in the world, Mrs. Avishola Okafor. Thank you so much for being super amazing. I love you so much and God bless you. Guys, I've come to the end of my mini haul. Trust me, there are other things I would have loved to show you, but this section is long enough. And thank you for watching. Oh, before then, I also got this perfume from Scent Plug. I forgot to show you guys. Let me just quickly show you guys what it looks like. It's a mini baccarat and the feminine one. Thank you for watching, and let's continue with the vlog. Like I came to get flavoring. Hey guys, so it's day one doing this decor. Green pepper, cucumber, carrots, green peas, cabbage for salad, a bit of lettuce. Oh my god, so fresh. King's mandarin, spicy tea for the candle.